Hi, let's get to the topic. Today I'll be explaining two things. One, how to use Comet, the very good feature of Comet, and the second part is Snowflake Intelligence, which is recently released, and I'll be using the Comet to extract the latest AI research papers, and we'll be using Snowflake Intelligence and also the agent feature of Copilot. Within short period of time, you will see how I'll be able to extract latest some 52 AI papers, and you will like we can easily search, chat with that AI research papers. Anyway, like you are able to see the things here now. You can see, right, like what I'm doing here is uh, I have taken the list of AI research paper, which you'll get to see. And what I have given here is I have listed all the latest AI papers in that latest AI papers CSV. And like simply I created a prompt to download all the files. So if you see, right, I went to Comet browser, and this is a in this URL all the latest AI papers are present. So what I made, I completely created a shortcut, and I conversed with Comet Assistant for a while. And at the end, this looks like very good feature for me. So I have saved this as a shortcut, which will be helpful in future, where I can download all the files in one go. At least as of now, files cannot be downloaded. But what I have did is I listed all the CSV, all the research papers in CSV. You see, right, all the research papers which are present in PDF. So basically, I told Comet to list down all the papers, and like good, what to say, proper names also should be there for that research paper. So at the end, what it has created is a list of all papers, their names, URLs, everything. So almost 52 papers are there. So which CSV has been created for that. And on top of that, what I did, simply use the Copilot and just ran in a loop to download all the uh, research papers. You will see that demo in a while. So basically, I'm saving the uh, shortcut, which is helpful anytime. So if you notice, like extract archive, if I do, it will do the same thing whatever I did. Okay, so Comet is very good for this. If you see now you'll see, right. What I did is given a prompt, and all the papers are downloaded in one shot. If you see, this folder was not there before, and uh, once I run the Python package, everything has been uh, downloaded. That's it. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the second topic, which is Snowflake Intelligence. So basically, what I'll be doing, I'll be explaining how I created this archive chat. Basically, this is a research paper. You can chat. This is not a normal RAG. Like I have created many RAGs before, but this feels a little bit very exciting, and because the AI understand everything. Before that, it was like more of a semantic search and all. Uh, let's come to the steps, whatever I have did. So basically, I have created a database schema, and around like 50 files are there. So around I think 30 to 40 files I have uploaded. 42 files are I have uploaded. So these are latest AI research papers. What I have did is I have followed these steps. Shortly, I'll explain the the stage need to be created, and there is AI Parse document, which is the recently released one, which will extract the data present in PDF in very good format, which is needed, and test chunker. This is nothing but chunking of the all the data extracted. Basically, one table has been created first with all these columns. Maybe I'll just select a table for a while just to see. You see this table, and yeah, see, almost 42 rows are there. 42 uh, like every document and URL, everything content. So this is extracted by AI Parse document, which is a simple SQL query, which will fetch all the data from PDF. So, and the next part is chunking. So basically, with the chunking, this table has been created, archive doc list table. So there is an extra column called chunk. So with which, like based on this, archive context search service has been created. So this I have given access to other things on the accounts. So then comes some of the drag and drop features. So basically, there's a feature of creating agents. Need to create some of the like some basic steps we need to create. These are like a self-explanatory, but like these are recently released one. The Cortex search service is where PDF is PDF parsing, and like this is not as a normal what to say RAG, but it's a agentic RAG where it will understand the complete uh, you know uh, your query, and it's not just a semantic search, keyword search, more on that. So let's come to the demo, and this Cortex analyst, right, when we have a if I'm having totally another data set, structured data set, Excel, CSV, and all, in that case, this is helpful. But here, again, the custom tools and all this, we can customize and access orchestration, which model I should be using. These all things are there, and this is some information. So what it is and all. So let's come to the demo. So what I'll be doing, see, for example, I'll ask some of the questions. See, the document is present here, the research paper. So this is a very famous paper. So if you notice, there is a plan also happening. Okay, it's not like a whatever I have asked. It's not doing any RAG, means like just a text search and all. Basically, there is a planning and everything is happening, and then the answer comes. So even if I search, even if I check the source, right? Source is, if you notice, it's more or less. I think it is taking only that research paper wherever uh, the attention all needed, right? All the citations. So if you see, the first paper is this. So you notice the downside. The URL part is the same document. Okay. So that is very good. This is much more than a RAG. So let's ask further questions. See again, like so, and here also we have enable research mode and all. So basically, we cannot compare this as this for a ChatGPT and all. There are tools and all when it comes to really searching specific data set, which is huge and all. In that case, this is helpful. So the only attention part I can explain. I'll ask. So here also we have complete, all the chat history, everything will be present here. So this is this is good compared to the traditional RAG method. Even Snowflake has different Streamlit tabs and all, but this is quite good. It's not a normal RAG. So this is one good use case, and you can create multiple agents and all here, and everything will be present. So I can select whatever agent. So basically, the knowledge So let's ask this. Like if I ask this, basically you see it should go to entire that knowledge base, and it should check. So again, yeah. So this is still in preview, but like it's far better. And it's simple. You can even orchestrate complete PDFs, and I think even once the thinking and everything is done, even we can remove all this data also. Even we can easily uh, sync from a S3 and all, so which is easy. So, and that's it. Thank you very much.